Okay, welcome back everyone. Stay with me, we're almost there. So this is the Mastery class, Extensive Challenge, question number 1. So it asks us to finish the following sequences. Let's see the first sequence. The first sequence, again, we look at the difference, try to find the pattern that lies in the sequence. So 52 and 41, the difference is 11. And then 41 and 11, the difference is 30. 11 and 30, the difference is 19. Note here that we are only looking for the difference between two adjacent terms. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have to do 11 minus 30, everyone. Yeah? The difference between 11 and 30 is 19. Not negative 19, not positive 19, just 19. Well, actually, yeah, it is positive 19. Okay? It is not negative 19. We don't do 11 minus 30 in this case. Okay? So, we see here that the difference between adjacent terms becomes the next term. 11, 11, 30, 30, 19, 19. So reasonably, what we want to do is look for the difference between 30 and 19, which is 11, and then it will be the next term. And then find the difference between 19 and 11, it will be 8, and the next term will be 8. And then 11 and 8, the difference is 3, so 3 will be the next term, and so on and so on. We can keep writing. Okay, that's the first sequence. Pretty easy. And then looking at the second sequence, we have 4, 6, 9, 14, 21, 32, 45. Again, look for the difference between adjacent terms. That is the most common trick we use when looking at pattern problems. So we have 4, 6, the difference is 2. 6, 9, the difference is 3. 9, 14, the difference is 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5. This looks really familiar. Okay, you should be aware of this by now. Then let's keep looking. 14, 21, the difference is 7. And then 21, 32, the difference is 11. 32, 45, the difference is 13. Okay, now we can say 100% sure that the difference here is the prime number sequence. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so I hope you all still remember your prime numbers. So the next prime number is not 15, guys. It's not consecutive odd numbers. It's different. The next the next prime number is 17. 45 plus 17 is 62. And then the next prime number is 19. 19 plus 62 is 81. And then the next prime number is not 21, it's 23. So the last blank should be 104. That's the second sequence. And let's look at the third sequence now. We have 3, 10, 29, 66, and 127. Again, look at the difference between two adjacent terms. Between 3 and 10, we have a 7. Between 10 and 29, we have a 19. Between 29 and 66, we have, this is going to be 37. And then between 66 and 127, we have 61. Right, so it still doesn't make any sense. 7, 19, 37, 61. Okay, then how about if we look at the difference between the differences? So we have 7, 19, the difference is 12. And then 19, 37. Remember not to miscalculate, be careful here. The difference is 18. And then 37, 61. The difference here is 24. Okay, so now it's starting to make sense. We have 12, 18, 24. So you see, we have an arithmetic progression over here. This is what we call a cubic arithmetic progression, meaning that the difference of the sequence is an arithmetic progression. Okay. So basically, it means that the red one, we have a common difference, 6. So the next one will be 24 plus 6, 30. So 61 plus 30 gives us the next number we should be adding to 127, which is 61 plus 30, 91. So 127 plus 91 gives us 218 on the blank. Okay, and that's this question.